Hello everyone, welcome to Spiritual Butterfly. Today I will be doing a past, present, and future reading for the sign of Gemini. These messages are general, they will not resonate with everyone. I ask that you take what does, apply it, leave the rest. Also remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell in order to receive notifications when I post. So I'm going to jump right into your messages and I will be starting off with the past. So Spirit, what messages do you have for Gemini? What has taken place in the past? Okay, so I have truth and prosperity. So let's get a message for the present. Okay, so for the present, I have courage. I have good luck. I have peace. And I have beauty. Okay, so let's look at your future. Okay, I have healing. Okay, Gemini. So let's pull some more messages. Spirit, tell me more about the past. Okay. All right, we have healing twice. So I have healing, chaos, and I have truth. Okay. So let's see what other messages for the present Spirit has. I have gateway. Let's get another message for the future. Okay. I have opportunity. Okay, Gemini. So for the past with this truth, and I have truth twice. Healing, chaos. I feel like in the past, some of you really did a lot of work on yourself, like did a lot of introspection. You may have dealt with childhood issues, healing childhood issues. I are like built up or pent up like emotions, animosity, sadness, things that you were holding on to, Gemini. It's like you decided to release, you decided to let go. With this chaos, I'm just getting that it's like the chaos within you. For some of you, like the chaos within your mind. It's like constantly reliving the past. It's like you decided to release it. You decided to let go of things of the past. You stopped reliving the past and just decided to embrace the truth. This is you embracing the truth of the situation. Embracing the truth when it comes to yourself. Being real with yourself. Being honest. Being honest with yourself. That is what you decided to do. And it's like with this honesty, it opened a door to your happiness. It opened a door to you finally having the abundance that you wanted. Prosperity. For some of you with this prosperity, I'm getting that it's not so much about the tangible, but with this prosperity, this is more about you being prosperous in your emotional state, having emotional abundance, having a clear perspective, having peace within you, prosperity within. So let's clarify. Spirit, clarify truth. Okay. I have Justice and I have the World in the reverse. Okay. Some of you kept reliving a situation. It was hard for you to let go. I heard childhood. So for some of you, this has a lot to do with your childhood, your relationships with your parents. For others of you, this has to do with, I heard like connections, intimate relationships. You kept reliving. You kept repeating a cycle. But it's like with this Justice, I'm seeing you with this Justice and Truth. This is like you finally having a peaceful resolution to this situation. So it's like whatever you were reliving, whatever cycle you kept repeating, it's like you developed peace when it came to the situation, like a peaceful resolution within you. You were at peace, or you found peace in the situation, or you found peace with this person. You stopped holding on to this, and you were finally able to let it go. Let's get a message for prosperity. I have the Ace of Pentacles in the reverse, prosperity. Prosperity is in the eye of the beholder. Prosperity is in the eye of the beholder. That is what I'm getting with this Ace of Pentacles. It's like if you believe that you're abundant, then you're abundant. If you believe that you are not abundant, then you're not abundant. It's in the eye of the beholder. Your past was about your perception of yourself, your perception of your life, your perception of your circumstances. That is what I'm getting, Gemini. Your perception, the way you saw the world, the way you saw your experiences. Again, you kept replaying your experiences. You kept reliving your experiences. For some of you, you kept reliving your childhood because of how you saw life. You thought that there was nothing better out there for you. You thought that you couldn't have a new beginning, that life couldn't be different, like you couldn't become the change that you wanted to see. But you changed. Your point of view changed. Your idea about self changed. Let's get a message for healing chaos. I have the moon in the reverse. Yes. A lot of things were revealed to you about your emotional state and your mental state. A lot of things were revealed to you. A lot of things that you were holding on to. A lot of things that you felt like you had let go of and were still carrying within you. Yes, healing chaos. Like the chaos within you was what you finally was able to accept and deal with. Nothing was hidden. This is like you just being true and honest with yourself, like you just getting to the core issues of you, of your life, of the decisions that you make and why you make them. Let's get a message for truth. I have strength, yes. The truth. It requires courage to be able to not only see the truth, but accept the truth and be willing to face it and deal with it. And that is what you displayed. Courage. You dealt with yourself. You dealt with your issues. You dealt with your past. You were able to stand in your power, be confident in yourself, in your beliefs, in the things that you wanted to change. So looking at the present, we have courage, we have good luck, we have peace and beauty, gateway at the bottom. A new path has been opened up for you. Gateway. It's like you're finally able to have the life that you want to have. Finally seeing yourself differently with this beauty card. This is just you embracing who you are. I heard changes for some of you. You may be changing your appearance, your hair, the way you look. Just really embracing your beauty inside and out. You're very much at peace with yourself. You've made peace with the past, so you are at peace with self. And it's like with this good luck, because you have done the work, because you accepted the call, because you accepted the change, it's like you're starting to see things work out. Good luck. Seeing things balance out in your favor. Courage. It took courage to deal with certain things. But you still continue to press forward. And it's like because you did, look at all of these beautiful changes that are taking place. You have good luck. A song just came to me. God's on your side. So yes, with this good luck message, Spirit is saying God's on your side. The tables have turned in your favor. Justice. Then we have peace. And we have beauty. This is just you just connecting with yourself all the way around. Externally and internally. The gateway to you, the gateway to your soul, to your happiness has been opened. So let's get a message for courage. I have the 9 of Swords and I have the 8 of Swords. Yes, courage. It was very difficult for you to embark upon this new journey, this change. But this is what I see, Gemini. So with this 9 of Swords, this is you being stressed, being worried, being anxious about, taking action. But you eventually get the courage to do so. And it's like you pick yourself up, you get up out of this bed and you go into the 8 of Swords energy. And it's like you still don't know the outcome of the situation, but you are finally making movement. Even though you can't see your way out, even though you don't know where this new journey, this new path is leading you, you're still continuing to move forward. You're no longer in a sitting state. You're in a state of action. So let's get a message for good luck. I have the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, now Gemini, good luck. This is you being abundant, being very prosperous, building generational wealth. Your finances are really starting to improve. Things are really starting to fall into place. I'm getting messages about your career. I heard new job for some of you. You may have recently started a new job. I'm also getting company and CEO. So maybe some of you have become the CEO of a company, or maybe you have started your own business. But this is you building wealth for yourself, for your family, and for generations to come. Good luck. It's like everything is falling in place, Gemini. So let's get a message for peace. I have the Nine of Pentacles. You are at peace. Especially when it comes to your finances. You are really planting a seed. You are very financially stable. Very financially stable. I heard like taking care of your family. You are getting the stability that you want. And just going back to your childhood for some of you, there may have been an issue when it came to finances. You may have grown up in poverty, and it's like now Spirit is paying you back for everything that you've been through, for everything that you lacked in your childhood. You are now receiving it as an adult. So let's get a message for beauty. I have the Nine of Wands. This is you knowing your worth. You know your worth, Gemini. And with this Nine of Wands, it's like you're not willing to accept anyone into your life who does not appreciate you, who does not value you. Like, I'm looking at this Nine of Wands, and this is like the wounded warrior energy. It's like you've been put down so many times for some of you. You've been told that you're not good enough. You've been told that you're not worthy. And each time that you were told something negative about yourself, another wound was placed on you. But it's like now that you're holding this wand, you're ready to protect yourself against any negativity. It's like you're standing up for yourself. It's like no longer will you put me down. No longer will you wound my spirit, wound my pride. I'm not accepting any more wounds. I'm only allowing people in my life that's going to build me up and not tear me down. I'm guarding myself. I'm guarding my energy. I'm guarding my mind. I'm guarding my peace. I'm guarding my self-worth from any negative attacks. Because I now know who I am. I am beautiful. I am special. I am valuable. I deserve love. I deserve respect. I deserve every good thing that life has for me. So I'm guarding my heart. I'm guarding my mind. And I'm guarding my spirit. So let's get a message for Gateway. Okay. I have the Queen of Swords in the reverse, Gateway. I heard surrender. You're surrendering. You're surrendering to this new path. You're surrendering to everything that's open to you, to everything that's available to you. It's like you're not turning it down. You're saying yes. The Shekinah Glory song yes just came to me. So it's like, yes, yes to your will, yes to your way. I say yes, yes, yes to spirit, yes to this new path, yes to this gateway opening. I say yes. I'm not fighting against it. I'm going with the flow. I'm allowing this change. I'm allowing this transformation. So looking at your future, healing and opportunity. Yes, healing and opportunity. This is a healing journey that you are on, Gemini. For 2021, this is a healing journey. Healing from the past. And it's like by you healing, by you letting go, this is opening the doors for new experiences, new opportunities, a new way of life, change. So let's get a message for healing. Look at what I have. I have the Queen of Cups. And I have the Three of Pentacles. Healing. Yes, you are healing. And I'm getting like with this Three of Pentacles, it's like you're supported. Spirit is supporting you through this healing. This is spirit. For some of you, these are your spirit guides, your ancestors, supporting you through this healing, supporting you through this releasing of old things, of toxic experiences. You are supported through this process, Gemini. Let's get a message for opportunity. And I heard grandmother. So for some of you, you have like a grandmother that has passed on. And she wants you to know like she's here, like beside you. Like you're not alone. She's around you. She's supporting you. She's directing you. She's protecting you. So for opportunity, look at what I have. The King of Pentacles. And the gospel song just came to me, and I had a praying grandmother. But I knew enough to call on the name of Jesus. Yes. That song just came to me, that gospel song. So someone, your grandmother is around you. Yes. Your grandmother is around you, and she wants you to know that she still prays for you. Even though she has crossed over to the other side, she still prays for you. As she prayed for you in this 3D realm, in the natural realm, she is also still praying for you in the spiritual realm. So with this King of Pentacles, opportunity, yes. You have an amazing future ahead of you, Gemini. King of Pentacles, this is you achieving abundance, stability. The King of Pentacles is like you are the orchestrator. You are in charge of your future, of your destiny. New opportunities, new doors are opening for you. I heard projects, create. For some of you, you may be working on a creative project. I heard YouTube. You may have started a YouTube channel or be some type of social media influencer. But it's like you're getting ready to level up. Your life is getting ready to change in terms of your finances. You're going to be able to provide for yourself, provide for your family. I heard own your own. Yes, you're going to own your own. For some of you, you're going to own your own home. For others of you, you're going to own your own business. But yes, this is you being fully in control. An entrepreneurial spirit you will have. And this will continue to open up doors for you. Spirit will continue to open up doors for you. So many new opportunities. I heard like meeting at the right place at the right time. So it's like you're going to meet someone, for some of you, who's going to help you, who's going to mentor you, who's going to give you this advice that you need, sound wisdom, that is going to help you, that is going to propel you forward, that is going to propel you to abundance. So let's pull one final message. I have shield, you need to defend yourself, and dagger, fear, worries, intense situations. Yes. Again, going back to your past, and I feel like this is for those of you who have had like a traumatic childhood or a traumatic childhood experience, you are always in like defense mode, like protection mode. There was always a sense of worry, always a sense of something happening. Like you just never knew what the next day was going to bring, what the next second was going to bring. You felt like you had to protect yourself. And I feel like with these messages, Spirit is saying like you are no longer that little boy, or you are no longer that little girl. You no longer have to worry about protecting yourself, shielding yourself. Spirit is saying, I have you. You are safe in my arms. I am protecting you. That is what Spirit is saying. You no need to worry. No need to fear. You don't have to worry about defending yourself against anyone or anything. I heard ancestors. Your ancestors are protecting you. Spirit, God is protecting you. You are divinely protected. The fear is over. There's nothing to fear. There's nothing to worry about. All you have to do is sit back and enjoy the journey. Enjoy life. Enjoy this new opportunity that Spirit has given to you. So I hope that these messages resonate. Remember to stay true to thyself and real with thyself. Grow with me as I grow with you. Stay blessed.